How to deal with negative thoughts and emotions. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by negative thoughts and emotions? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in a whirlwind of negativity. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle and regain control of your emotions? In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you deal with negative thoughts and emotions, using real-life examples and analogies to make the concepts relatable and easy to understand. So, let's dive in. Part 1. Understanding negative thoughts and emotions. First, let's understand what negative thoughts and emotions are. They can be feelings of sadness, anger, fear, or even self-doubt. These emotions are a natural part of life, but when they become overwhelming, they can hold us back from reaching our full potential. Can you think of a time when negative emotions have affected your life? Share your experiences in the comments below. Part 2. Identifying triggers. Now that we know what negative thoughts and emotions are, let's identify their triggers. Triggers can be external, like a stressful event or a difficult conversation, or internal, like a negative thought pattern or belief. By recognizing these triggers, we can better understand and manage our emotions. What are some triggers that cause negative emotions for you? Let us know in the comments. Part 3. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking can be a powerful tool in combating negative thoughts and emotions. By focusing on the positive aspects of a situation, we can shift our mindset and improve our emotional well-being. For example, instead of dwelling on a mistake, try to see it as a learning opportunity. This shift in perspective can help you feel more in control and optimistic about the future. How do you practice positive thinking in your daily life? Share your tips in the comments below. Part 4. Practical strategies to deal with negative thoughts and emotions. Here are some practical strategies to help you deal with negative thoughts and emotions. 1. Mindfulness. Practice being present and aware of your thoughts and emotions without judgment. 2. Reframing. Change the way you perceive a situation by looking at it from a different perspective. 3. Self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, just as you would a friend in need. 4. Seeking support. Reach out to friends, family, or a professional for help and guidance. 5. Physical activity. Engage in regular exercise to release endorphins and improve your mood. Part 5. Building emotional resilience. Building emotional resilience is key to dealing with negative thoughts and emotions. Emotional resilience is the ability to adapt and bounce back from adversity. By developing this skill, you can better handle life's challenges and maintain a positive outlook. Some ways to build emotional resilience include: 1. Cultivating a strong support network. 2. Practicing self-care and stress management techniques. 3. Embracing change and learning from setbacks. 4. Focusing on personal growth and self-improvement. Share your experiences with building emotional resilience in the comments below. And that's it. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can take control of your negative thoughts and emotions and live a happier, more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Psychology Facts for more insightful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.